All right, so today I'm going to be changing the rear turn signal light bulb. This is my first time, so let's see how this goes and let's see how easy it is. Let me tell you how I figured out I needed one. So first, all right, this is your regular. And then this one. Yeah, it's going fast. That's how I figured it out. I'm going to be using this bulb. Hopefully it's the right one. We'll find out. And this is a 2011 Dodge Challenger. It's a passenger side, so okay, so I know you're supposed to take this little, there's some clips out right here. Let's see. Hopefully I don't break them. There's another one right in here. Alright, I think I got it. They look intact. I didn't break anything. Good. And now there's a little, let's turn the light on for you guys. So there you go. See that little knob? We're going to unscrew it. If I can find it with me. Okay. There's one more in here. Let's see. Oh, yep, there it is. No. Oh, here it is. Can you see it? There it is. All right. So the light just pops out. Boy, it's dirty. So it's the outer light. I don't think anybody's been messing with the tail light for a long time. It's so dirty. Okay, let's see. Should be this one. Let me figure out how to get this out. Let's see, I'm going to put my phone right here. I don't know what you're going to be seeing. Let's try this. Well, okay. Okay, let's pause for a minute. Alright, so apparently you have to turn this really hard. See this little knob? Okay, hard there. Okay. Alright. There it is. That's the little culprit. I'm going to set this down right here. Just cross that place. Jeez, why can't anything be easy? It's so hard. Okay, it's a Sylvania. That's whatever it's called, Sylvania. And 3057. Yay, so I have the right light bulb. Okay, so let's open this one. Okay, I'm gonna set it down. Sorry, while I open this little package here. Okay, so the lady at AutoZone was nice enough to give me, yeah, she gave it to me for free, this little gadget. Let's see, so we're gonna try it out. Okay. So you just squirt a little bit, she said, on the tip there. Just a light coat. Good thing I got towels back here. Okay. So it just pops right back in. Let's see. It's on. So let's test it out. Seems like it's working. Let's go check. It's working. Awesome. So let's pop this little sucker back in here. Actually, it should go. Turned it. I definitely need to clean this out. So. Alright, put the cap back on. Okay, let me put this back in a little more. What's my problem? Okay, there. Okay. I think it needs to be super tight. I don't know. Let's see. Breaking stuff. Just want to make sure. Okay, I think it needs to be tighter. Okay. Now to put the other one. All right. Okay, really? Not bad. Not bad at all. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.